Are you on the carnivore diet, but you're really craving nachos? Well, join us because I'm going to show you how to do it. First, we're going to brown a pound of hamburger. This is 100% ground beef from our local locker. Going to get our oven going, or our stovetop. Figure out how to open it because you know they like to make it tricky. It's like a puzzle. So we're going to let this come to brown. We're going to use our chopper, and then we will drain some of that grease and then add the taco seasoning. So stay tuned. This is one of my best friends. Makes browning hamburger so easy. Just get it all chopped up.
And we will put it in the description below.
Makes it go faster too.
Max.
Original fried pork skins.
These are the best.
These are going to replace your tortilla chips.
And when they get the juices from the meat in there, they are so good.
Gives that crunch so you don't feel like you're missing out. We're almost done. Just give it a little bit. I still seen a little bit that needs to brown, but it's looking good. All right, I'm going to turn the stove down just a little bit, and we're going to get the grease, most of the grease we can out with this, just so it's not as much. Okay. All right, now we're going to add about a half a cup of water and 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. And we're going to let this come to a simmer on low, mostly until the water is evaporated. And then we'll build our tacos, or nachos, however you want to call it.
Taco nachos. And we was also thinking, if you wanted to do pulled pork nachos, that would be awesome. Maybe we'll do that in a few weeks. But this is going to be yummy. We've already had this before. It's great. So stay tuned.
All right, we're going to build our nachos. So we got our plate of pork rinds. We're going to add our ground beef, just like you're building a regular nacho.
Wow, that looks good.
And then we're going to add some cheese on top of that. I don't have a block right now, so this is just going to have to do. We'll add a little dollop of sour cream.
Dollop of daisy.
I don't have the squeeze bottle, or I would do that. Sour cream, and then my favorite Cholula hot sauce.
The original flavor.
Because we like some heat on it. And there you go.
Okay, I'm going to take a bite. Although we already know this is awesome. That's great.
Now we got to make it look a little bit better because you took some.
I had to. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
And we'll see you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.